Welcome to I Talk You Talk. Let's discuss the most awaited 5G, fifth generation mobile network, its impact, and some interesting facts. Fun fact for the day: if you scramble Albert Einstein, you'll get to see 10 elite brains. I'm not surprised. Let's do a quick recap. The first generation 1G came in 1980s. 2G, the second generation, came in early 1990s. The third generation 3G came in the early 2000s. Fourth generation 4G got released in 2010, and the fifth generation 5G got released in 2020. Going by the trend, I expect 2030 to have 6G in place. What are the highlights of 5G? High speed, superior reliability, almost no latency. You know what is the expected speed of 5G? 20 GB per second peak data. By the way, what is peak data? The fastest data transfer possible from a device in short bursts, not for a long time. Does 5G bring in any good to the economy? Well, yes. The global economic output that is expected from 5G is $13.2 trillion and is expected to create 22 million jobs worldwide. A 5G economy study predicts that it will take 15 years approx to realize the full economic effect of 5G around the world. With 4G, the global average consumption of data per month is at 2.3 GB. With 5G in place, we can expect the global average of data consumption per month to go to 11 GB. That's almost 5 times of 4G. Which sectors 5G is going to help the most? Medical procedures, because 5G is ultra reliable, so medical procedures can be transferred or demonstrated from any part of the world to another. Internet of Things is highly relying on 5G. Internet of Things, IoT, data science, data analysis, all of them are going to hit peak with 5G. And with 5G in place, augmented reality, artificial intelligence are going to have a turnaround. An important question: when will 5G be available? Well, it's already available in 35 plus countries in the world. There are debates on the health risk of humans when exposed to 5G Wi-Fi network. In 2019, around 200 scientists wrote to European Union to stop the 5G deployment, citing some health risks. 5G deployment is not easy, it's a challenge. Unlike 4G signals, 5G cannot travel for a larger distance, so it needs a lot of base stations. That's what the experts say. There are 4 types of base stations or cell types, and they are femto, pico, micro, and metro cells. Femto can be used for home or business purposes, can accommodate up to 30 users, and has got a range of tens of meters. Pico cells are very suitable for malls, airports, skyscrapers. It can accommodate 120 users, and the working range is tens of meters. The next is micro cells. The number of users that could be accommodated is 256, can be used in urban areas. The working range is going to be few hundreds of meters. The last one is metro cells that can accommodate 250 plus users, and again it is suitable for urban areas, and these metro cells can cover a range of hundreds of meters. Finally, there is an option of Wi-Fi 2. This can accommodate less than 50 users, and the travel range is going to be tens of meters. A snippet on 6G. South Korea, China, Japan has already started their research on 6G, and it is expected that 6G might see the light by 2030. Hope the video was informative, and please do put in your comments, critics as well. Thanks for watching. Welcome to I Talk You Talk. Let's